Več kot stanovanje je vzorčni primer trajnostne stanovanjske zadruge v švicarskem mestu Zürich. Združuje 50 stanovanjskih zadrug in je eden največjih in najbolj ambicioznih projektov stanovanjskih zadrug v Evropi.
There's a big discussion about how to live in the future, new typologies for housing, affordable housing, sustainable housing. These are the main issues.
Gre za najemniško stanovanjsko zadrugo, ki v 13 stavbah omogoča sožitje 1300 stanovalcem in uporabnikom poslovnih prostorov.
People here, they don't own their flats, but they own a share of the cooperative, so they can decide on general assemblies about the future, about the development.
Več kot stanovanje je odgovor na vprašanje, kako graditi stanovanja, ki odgovarjajo na potrebe prihodnosti. Trajnostna raba energije in trajnostna mobilnost sta del te prihodnosti.
The houses are very well insulated. There are some ventilation systems, heat recovery. It is the use of this heat of the computers with heat pumps. We produce out of this hot water. On every roof there are photovoltaic panels. Private car ownership is not allowed. We have a mobility station, as we call it. There are some bikes there. If you have friends that visit you, you can give them a bike. There is a national car sharing cooperative also in Switzerland, which is very efficient and very successful. So there are some of their cars here.
Koristi zadruge so mnogotere. 400 stanovanjskih enot, 35 poslovnih prostorov, velike skupnostne površine in infrastruktura soseske zagotavljajo okolju prijazne domove tudi ljudem iz ranljivih skupin, različnih nacionalnosti in dohodkovno šibkim gospodinjstvom.